Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GreenBitcoin token. Ticker symbol is GBTC. Now this token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now on their webpage. There's actually less than 20 hours until the next price increases. So if you're a subscriber, you will see this video before the next price increase. And you can go check this out. But yeah, we're going to go over the information on GreenBitcoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you just go to their webpage, greenbitcoin.xyz, and then you can go /EN for English, you'll see at the top of the page, it says staking, media, then it has info, affiliates dashboard, so you can refer this to pre-sale to other people to get rewards. Then there's a buy and stake now button. Then they have a Twitter, Telegram, and you can change the language. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, at GreenBTC token, and their Telegram is also at GreenBTC token. On their webpage here, you can find a green paper, which is like a white paper with tons of info. You can find a full audit by CoinSalt Solidity, and you should obviously review the audit before trying to get this token to make sure you're okay with the security of this project. Now it says next price increases, and there's a countdown, and they count down, it's less than 20 hours to the next price increase, so I'm going to get this video up in the next couple hours. You'll be able to go check this out before the increase. And so far they've raised over $500,000, $560,732. Doing very well here. So they show the price. 1 GBTC equals a little bit over 40 cents, 40.76 cents. Now you can connect your wallet. You can buy the token with BNB, Ethereum, USDT, or it looks like card as well, like a credit card or something. So there's all sorts of different ways you can buy the token. So far, people have staked 1,305,090 GBTC coins, which is basically 64% of the supply has been staked. Well, that has been bought so far in the pre-sale, obviously. They have 442% rewards, it says. And then total rewards in GBTC is 403,009 GBTC tokens. So now what is this all about? It says stake GBTC, earn big on Bitcoin. GreenBitcoin offers a fresh take on cryptocurrency, combining Bitcoin's legacy with Ethereum's eco-friendly blockchain. This ERC20 token, so it's an Ethereum token, introduces a unique sustainable staking model, gamified green staking for earning passive income. With rewards scaled to your investment, you can participate in our GreenBitcoin price predictions to enhance your earnings, all while fostering long-term investment and active community engagement. With GreenBitcoin, you can enjoy a rewarding and environmentally conscious crypto experience. GreenBitcoin, represented as GBTC, embodies an environmentally friendly philosophy in two distinct ways. Firstly, it is 10,000 times more eco-friendly than the original Bitcoin blockchain due to its utilization of a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This means that unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work mechanism, POS significantly reduces the computational power required, minimizing its environmental impact. Secondly, the green characteristics extends to the staking process. When you participate in staking and prediction lands in the selected green zone, you are rewarded with additional earnings from staking your coins. So Bitcoin introduces revolutionary gamified green staking, allowing exponential rewards and up to 100% token bonuses. New live challenges every week. Stay tuned for some thrilling updates on gamified staking coming your way shortly. The GreenBitcoin platform has allocated a substantial reward pool of 5.8 million GBTC tokens, which represents 27.5% of the total token supply, to incentivize staking activities. The reward pool will be given out gradually over the 2 years and fully distributed by December 31st, 2025. Each day, the reward pool is distributed among stakers who have accurately predicted the price direction of Bitcoin, creating a competitive yet rewarding environment. GreenBitcoin provides daily staking rewards based on Bitcoin's price movement. Stake your tokens and forecast whether Bitcoin's price will rise or fall by the next day. Similar to Bitcoin's average block time, GBTC rewards accumulate every 10 minutes. So the process is place your GreenBitcoin's price prediction. When the new day rolls over and a fresh round kicks off, let your stake and submit your next price call. Accurate predictions earn proportionate shares of the daily staking reward pool, and you can claim the aggregate of your daily rewards after each 24-hour cycle. By leveraging insights into tangible rewards, this system encourages GBTC token holders to actively participate in predicting Bitcoin's performance. So there's extra rewards for daily stakers and weekly stakers, monthly stakers, six monthly stakers. So there's pre-sale staking, so that's what people are doing right now. Now how the token is split up, 40% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 27.5% go to staking reward system, 17.5% goes to marketing, 10% goes to decentralized and centralized exchange listings, and 5% goes to community rewards. So they picked Ethereum because it's eco-friendly, established architecture, extensive ecosystem, and proven stability. And they have a roadmap starting with pre-sale, then the token launch, staking rewards and predictions, predict to earn 2.0. And and then that is basically about it. So you can check out their webpage, greenbitcoin.xyz, to get involved with the pre-sale if you want to. Check out their socials, their Twitter, their Telegram. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.